Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Next question from the poem Upagupta. Graciously come to my house, the dusty earth is not fit bed for you ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Graciously come to my house, the dusty earth is not fit bed for you. Okay. Who requested to come? ಯಾರು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? ವಾಸವದತ್ತ, the dancing girl, requested to come. Okay, who told this? Graciously come to my house ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರು? ವಾಸವದತ್ತ, the dancing girl. Okay. Whom was it requested? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು? It was requested to Upagupta. ಉಪಗುಪ್ತನನ್ನ ಆಕೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. She invited Upagupta to come to her house. Okay. Where was he sleeping? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಗುಪ್ತ ಮಲಗಿದ್ದಂಥದ್ದು? She saw the austerely beautiful young ascetic was sleeping on the dusty ground. ಕೊಳೆ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲಗಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಉಪಗುಪ್ತನನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.